Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the TeePublic Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed product data from the TeePublic marketplace in just a few seconds. This actor automatically collects product information from TeePublic, one of the largest marketplaces for custom designed merchandise. It's useful for market research, competitive analysis, trend tracking, and building structured product datasets without any manual browsing listings. So, how does it work? To get started, you can scrape TeePublic in two different ways. You can either paste a direct TeePublic URL, or you can use category and search filters to build your query directly inside Apify. If you already know what page you want to scrape, you can paste a direct TeePublic URL. This works for category pages, product type pages, or filtered listings you create directly on TeePublic. For example, you might scrape a specific category like holiday t-shirts or sweatshirt collection. Alternatively, you can build search using filters. You can select product type, enter a category slug, search by keywords, or even search for products from a specific artist. You can sort them by relevance, popular, or the newest, and you can select Safe Search on or off. In this example, I'm searching for t-shirts in the cats category, and I want them to be cute, and I'll leave the rest empty. Now, you can run the actor once, or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a single product and includes the title, price, sales status, designer info, images, available colors, sizes, style, and other stuff. This gives you a clean, structured view of the TeePublic catalog that's ready for analysis. You can also download the data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This is useful if you want to quickly analyze pricing trends, track sale periods, compare designer portfolios, and see exactly which colors, fits, and sizes are available for each design. The TeePublic Scraper is a fast way to collect complete product intelligence from TeePublic without any manual browsing. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.